And I think as a club, it was so important to us to start tackling the stigma surrounding mental health because, as I say, like, we've all got it. And what we saw was like quite a big step between like people coping with their mental health at an individual level, but then this massive jump between like seeking professional help and going to the doctors and seeking counselling. Whilst that's amazing when people acknowledge that they need that help, they've often been struggling for so long prior to that. And I think we saw this gap between, you know, these two levels. And I think the implementation of the welfare officer is almost to kind of bridge that gap. And like, I promote all the services that are available in Edinburgh that people don't even know exist. And I kind of see it as bi-directional. So, you know, like my job is so much of promoting these services and like making sure everyone knows what's available to them. But also, you know, I'm like a face that people recognise when people are struggling. And I'm somebody they know in the club that's there to help them and that's there to support them throughout whatever they're going through. So if people are coming to me, I can then come back with the resources that I'm aware of and be like, okay, well, I think this will help you and this will help you. And I think it's really important to make that distinct line between I'm not there to solve people's problems, I'm not a counsellor, I'm no trained healthcare professional, but I am somebody there that's there to help, I'm there to lend an ear, and I'm there to kind of promote these services that are available. And I think that's, at the end of the day, we are a hockey community, and utilising the community that we've got and like using myself and using my role to help people through these struggles is really, really important, and whatever means that I can do. We're a massive club. We have 320 members or something, and I get messages from girls I've never met before, and all they're doing is, they just like, I'm struggling with X, Y, and Z, you know, and I can then refer them to other people that services that can help, and it's a face that people can go to and seek comfort from and seek support from. And I think, as I say, like, in all hockey communities, this is something that can be so worthwhile for everybody. And, you know, everyone in a hockey club shares a commonality. We all share a common interest. And that in itself can be really comforting for people to come to somebody that they know. And I think for other clubs, it'd be really, really beneficial to have a welfare officer, just to have somebody there that's in that club that's going to advocate for their mental health and support them throughout it and promote the services that are available to them, not just Edinburgh, but across all of Scotland.